behind. Them distribute the wealth only amongst them own kind, leaving the poor and the needy in the darkness behind. Me see the youth them on the corner, them looking so nervous, because the system them built it never did serve us. Them promise a future but them sell we a lie, while the mothers in the ghetto them a sit down and cry. How can we be so selfish in a time of need? Planting the thorns instead of planting the seed. The world is a bleeding. Me see too many souls from the streets of the city to the battlefield winds. It's a frequent reminder we have to change our ways before we lose ourselves in this wicked maze. Every day a new struggle, every night a new tear. The weight of the world is getting harder to bear. Them distribute the weapons and them spread the disease, but them can't find a second to put we mind at ease. My heart get heavy when me see how them act, turning them back on the truth and the fact. It's a frequent occurrence, this injustice we see, but Jah light is the only thing we can set we free. Heal the souls, left the selfish ways. Don't feel nervous, just keep the faith. Don't distribute no more hate. How can we be so selfish in a time of need? Planting the thorns instead of planting the seed. The world is a bleeding. We see too many souls from the streets of the city to the battlefield wars. It's a frequent reminder we have to change our ways. Serious.